Dear friends, I'd like to introduce a smallest thermal modules in the world to you. This is a military product and the quality is 100% guaranteed. It is kept in this mini black safety box.
放下。
First, let's see this mini black safety box. It's portable. Look, portable design. Let's check the size of the box. The length, look, it is 21 centimeters. It is 8.3 inches. And the wings, look, it is 40.5 centimeters, which is 5.7 inches. And the height, let's check. Look, it is 9 centimeters, which is 3.5 inches. Okay, let's check the vent of the box. Look, it is 785 grams. Okay, let's open it. Look, there are two buckles. Now you can see it. Wow, it shows golden color, so beautiful. Let's take it out carefully. Look at this type. It is 384 with 17 mil. And this one, wait. This is 640 with 70 mil. Let's check the size of these two. The same length. Let's check. Look, it is only 4 centimeters, which is 1.6 inches.
称重。
Let's check its vent. Look, this one is nearly 39 grams, and this one, oh, this one is about 41 grams. These two. Attention please. There is a plastic film here. It is used to protect the camera inside. You see? Okay.
另外一个一样就先别展示了。
Same.
放边上直接把薄膜拿起来吧。好了。
You see how small it is? These two on my palm. It's so cute. Okay. Okay, let's take off the spudgy layer. Look, it is also spudgy layer. So these two are put here and it's very safe. Okay, there are 3 cables. Look, this cable. Look, this cable. This is used to test the usage of the module. It's just to test. Look, these two cables. These two cables are used to connect with the module. You see?
Yes.
Connect with it. And the concrete information is written in the user manual, and I will send you later. Okay? Thank you for your cooperation.